In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Tasks in just about 5 minutes. It's a procedure that sounds pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of steps that are key to making the process as smooth as possible. Whether you're managing personal projects, work assignments, or just trying to keep your life a tad more organized, knowing how to effectively duplicate your task lists can save you a ton of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, we need a platform that interfaces seamlessly with Google Tasks and allows for the duplication functionality that, quite frankly, Google Tasks itself doesn't provide directly. This is where Taskboard comes into play. Taskboard offers a user-friendly desktop app experience for managing your Google Tasks with additional features that aren't available on Google's default task management system. So, step 1 is to navigate to Taskboard. You can do this by typing Taskboard desktop app for Google Tasks into your browser search box or by going directly to their website. This platform is going to be our gateway to duplicating Google Tasks effortlessly. Once you've arrived at the home page of Taskboard, you're going to want to sign in with your Google account. Locate and click on the Sign In with Google button. This step is fundamental because it links Taskboard with your Google account, granting it access to your task lists. After clicking on Sign In with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use with Taskboard. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that houses the Google tasks you intend to duplicate. This might seem like a minor detail, but ensuring you're working with the correct account can prevent a mix-up down the line. Once you've successfully signed in and selected your account, you'll be redirected to the Taskboard app interface. Here's where the magic happens. On your Taskboard dashboard, locate the task list you wish to duplicate. Each list will have a 3-dot icon on its side or bottom, depending on your view. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll find Duplicate List. Yes, as simple as it sounds, clicking on this option will create an identical copy of your selected task list. The duplicate list includes all the tasks from the original, preserving their status as well, whether they're marked as completed or still in progress. And guess what? That's all there is to it. You've now successfully duplicated a Google task list using Taskboard. The duplicate appears almost instantly on your dashboard, and from there you can rename it, modify it, or customize it further to suit your needs. This feature is incredibly useful for tasks that have a recurring nature, or projects that follow a similar structure, but require a fresh task list each time. Now that you know how to duplicate your Google tasks efficiently, you can streamline your workflow, reduce repetitive work, and focus more on getting things done. Remember, Taskboard is not just about duplicating tasks. Explore it further to uncover other productivity-enhancing features that can revolutionize the way you manage your tasks and projects. In conclusion, duplicating Google Tasks doesn't have to be a complicated or tedious process. With the help of Taskboard, you can make this task as simple as a few clicks. This can significantly improve your productivity by allowing you to reuse existing lists without having to start from scratch each time. Whether you're planning events, tracking work projects, or managing personal goals, this process can help you maintain organization and efficiency in your life. Take advantage of this tool and make managing your tasks easier than ever. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks to help you navigate your digital life with ease. Happy tasking,